Hello my friends, welcome. In the present video I will show you how to start a wood coal fire with a starter chimney. We have already seen in the previous video to do without chimney, and now let's have a look on how to use the chimney. The classical instructions for safety are applicable. Of course, first of all, use gloves in case you are touching this grill when it's hot, otherwise you will burn your fingers. And the second one is, of course, don't leave young children alone around the fire. This can be dangerous as well. So now let's start making the fire with a starter chimney. For making a barbecue, you need first of all a barbecue. Then you need fire starters. You can take a newspaper. Of course, we'll need a lighter for lighting the whole thing. Then this here is an old, let's say, coal fire starter. It has been offered to me by a very famous Belgian beer brand. And then you need coal. So this is coal from wood. So you can buy it, it's very common. Charbon de bois in French. And here in this other bag, this is also wood coal, which is coming from the recycling of the ashes from my chimney, and this is working perfectly well. So a fire starter chimney is looking like this. You have the upper part. This is the part where we'll put the coal, and here a lower part where we'll put the newspaper and the fire starter. For starting the barbecue, it's very straightforward. We'll take some paper, we make small little balls with it. In case we'll put a fire starter. And then you put the coal on the upper side of the starter chimney. And now we lighten the newspapers. In the meanwhile, I'm just taking the opportunity to let you know that I also made a video about how to make a fire outside with wood. And as we have a little bit of time, I can also tell you that I made a very nice video about how to make a fire in your chimney, either open fireplace, fire stove or fire insert. And now I will put the time lapse for not letting you wait too long. Now after 10 minutes I will add some coal in the chimney. Now basically we have reached a critical mass of coal burning on the bottom, which means that we will be able to turn it upside down for putting the coal into the barbecue. The amount of coal that we have to put on the barbecue depends on the quantity of food you want to put on the grill. So this here is really a little quantity. You can add up some more. So I didn't put too much because today we're only 3. So this is large enough. But the fire here is quite, it's already good. So let's make a little demonstration. And I'm taking a leaf of palm tree. If you're in a hurry or if you are very hungry, you can also use the newspaper for pushing a little bit of air into the coal. This will accelerate the combustion. You can see here in this wonderful slow motion the flames coming out from the coal. Of course, we'll be waiting that these flames disappear before launching the grill, but then it will be ready. Now the fire is hot, so let's see on how to make the barbecue, and you will find this in the next video, showing as well beforehand how to clean the grill in a very ecological way. See you in a minute.